guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Let's jump into the eye makeup tutorial using this Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Look at how nice and slick this is. So pretty. I love the pink. Look at that. So pretty. It has sparkles. They do fall a little bit, but I don't mind. This has 16 shades instead of 14 like it usually has. So this does retail for $49 instead of $45 or $42. So this has a little bit more. It has 2 pressed pigments and it has a little bit of shimmer in there and matte shades. So today I want to create something more neutral rather than pink. Everyone's creating with pinks like these, but I just want to do something different. I have my concealer ready. I used the Tarte Shape Tape and everything's set. So now I'm just gonna do this side on camera. And the first brush that I'm using is the Makeup Shack T11 brush. And I'm just gonna go with the shade OG, which is this one here. There's not a lot of fallout, just the typical. It blends really nicely. So I'm gonna do a cut crease, something gold along those lines. I'm gonna use the Sigma Taper Blending Brush E40, and I'm gonna take this shade New Yorker. I don't know how she said it, but it's New Yorker, but New Yorker, that's how she spelled it. And I'm gonna just use that a little bit under. So that one's slightly darker. These are all new shades. A lot of people were saying that it looked like the Modern Renaissance, the bottom row, but they are different shades. They don't have the same shades as the Modern Renaissance or the Soft Glam. I'm pretty satisfied with that. Very, very nice. And now let's take a smaller brush, the Morphe M507 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade 1988, this one here, and I'm just gonna tap that on the outer corner, which is along the lash line here, and then a little bit upwards. And then I'm going to take the brush before, which is the E40, and just blend it out. So I'm going to go like this. Now, let's just cut the crease, and I'm using the P. Louise Rumor 2. And I'm just using this Alamar brush to cut it. I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. I'm just gonna apply the shimmer shade, which I'm gonna use the shade Dragon, this one here, the gold one, and I'm just gonna use it with the brush that it came with and just apply that shade all over, just so we can have something to stick on for the loose or the pressed glitter, which I'm gonna use Gemini today. It's very, very pigmented. I love it. I don't need to wet my brush or anything with this shade, which is an A+. I am gonna go back with the shade 1988 and the M507 brush and just blend that out a little bit. Now for the glitter, I'm taking Gemini I don't know if to take it with my finger first. We will see. Oh yeah, looks nice. So you can apply this with your finger for a softer look. I'm just gonna wet my finger a little bit with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray from Colourpop. And I think once you wet it, it'll become more, it'll press onto the eye more. You can use glitter glue as well. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I kind of made it like less gold, the look, less yellowy. OMG, I am obsessed, you guys. Very pretty. Add a little bit of black to the lash line, and I'm using the Sigma Small Angle E65. And I'm using the shade BK for Brooklyn. I think that's what she said. I'm just adding that to the lash line. I am not gonna wing it out. Wow, that's very pretty. It looks like a eyeliner. And now I'm just gonna take mascara. I'm using this new mascara that was sent to me by Winky Lux. This is the So Extra mascara. And this is my first time trying it. Let's see. Ooh. It really separates the lashes. It looks really nice. Gives you more definition, if anything. Definition and volume. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and I'll be right back to apply the lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are from Cavalli Lash, and they are in the style Ventura, which are right here. These are gonna be nice for this look. It's not gonna be too dramatic where it's gonna cover up the look. I'll be right back to do the lashes, lower lash, and then the lipstick, and we're done. So I'm done with this eye. I'm gonna jump into lips real quick. I'm gonna use the Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna use MAC Bare Bling. I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm just gonna use this Anastasia brush, and I'm gonna go in with New Yorker. I don't know how to say that. I'm not from New York, you guys. I suck. I'm just gonna blend that into the lower lash line. And kind of like connect it to the other side. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take the angle brush that I use with the black shade and just go in with 1988 instead, the dark brown, and put that closer to the lash line. And then I'm just gonna use the Fake Awake Tarte eyeliner just to add it on the waterline. And some mascara, the one from Winky Lux. Like I mentioned before, I'm using the Cavalli Lash in Ventura, and I did apply it on this side. Look at that. They look so pretty, and they were so easy to apply. So let's pray that it goes well on this side. So now I'm just gonna apply it real quick. See how easy it was to apply it? And these lashes are not expensive at all. Make sure you check them out. I will have them linked down below, as well as everything else that I used on my face. This is the final look using the Amrezy palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I decided to go with the bronzy look because everyone's doing the pink look. But if you do want to see a pink look, I will make sure to film that and post it on my Instagram, since I did tell you guys I was gonna post more on there. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I really enjoyed this palette. It didn't give me any problems or anything. Everything was pigmented and there wasn't a lot of fallout, which is great. If there is a little bit of fallout, I don't really mind. I just tap off my brush a lot. Make sure to like start with a little bit and build your way up instead of grabbing a lot and then having to erase it. For the warm shades that I used today, I really had no problems with. Even the black was nice. I think this is such a perfect palette, and I think she took her time with it, and it's worth the $49. You get more shades. You can definitely travel with this palette and create some bomb looks. This is the only palette that you'll need. If you don't have any of the Anastasia palettes, make sure you pick this one up because it's probably limited edition. And make sure you pick it up because this is an all-around great palette, so you can't go wrong with this palette. I give it an A in my opinion. Let me know if you guys picked up this palette. For me, it's an A and I love it. I'm really in love with it. I'm in love with this look. Can you guys tell? Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. I really love this palette. Peace, 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 peace.